As has happened for us here in the past couple of years, we have found at a dreadful time we turn to music. And two Donegal women and their families are here to pay tribute. So with In My Life, would you welcome, please, Moya Brennan and Mairead Ní Mhaoinigh.
There are places I'll remember all my life, though some have changed, some forever, not for better. Some have gone and some remain. All these places have their moments with lovers and friends I still can recall. Some have passed and some are living. In my life I've loved them all. But of all these friends and lovers, there is no one compares with you, and these memories lose their meaning when I think of love as something new. Though I know I'll never lose affection for people and things that went before. I know I'll often stop and think about them. In my life I've loved them all. Though I know I'll never lose affection for people and things that went before.